Hey first grade friends, welcome back, and we are spending another day working on our opinion writing prompt. Our prompt says, in your opinion, what is the best part of having a birthday? State your opinion and be sure to include a reason and a closing sentence. Well, yesterday we used our Oreo planning page to talk about what we thought was the best part of our birthday. We gave a quick reason, an example, and then closed it up. And I said, in my opinion, having cake is the best part of my birthday. Let's take a look at my Oreo planning page. This is going to help us as we work through the week in writing different parts of our paragraph. So we know that the top and the bottom parts of our cookie or our Oreo have the O, or we're going to state our opinion. So in my opinion, cake is the best part of having a birthday. My R is my reason. My reason is that I get to pick it. I have a twin sister and two older brothers, so I didn't get to always pick what kinds of things we had to eat. I loved getting to pick what kind of cake I had, and it's delicious. My example is the one year when I had a really chocolatey, fudgy cake. It was so delicious. And then I just restated my opinion, saying, cake, in my opinion, cake is the best part of having a birthday. Well, now that I've planned this all out, I know what sentences I need to write, but I'm going to actually start by drawing a picture. So I'm going to flip over from my planning page and look at my writing task. Again, your prompt is right up here on the top. And then I've got my rectangle for my picture. Well, if in my opinion, the best part of having a birthday is the cake, what do you think I should draw? You're right, the cake. And I said I like a really fudgy cake. So mine's going to be a chocolate cake. I'm going to draw a real big cake. To draw a cake, you can draw like a long oval on the top and then pull straight down on each side. We're going to make like a cylinder. It doesn't have to be perfect. And a curved line to connect on the bottom. It's already looking like a cake shape. You might want to give it some details because maybe you guys got some really nicely decorated cakes from the grocery store or somebody made it for you. You know how sometimes you get that frosting that comes around. It makes it so special, and maybe you picked that. Well, I picked a cake that had some little flowers on top. And remember, my reason for liking cake or thinking that the cake is the best part of our birthday is that I got to pick it. I got to pick the flavor, and I got to pick the decorations. So the decorations I picked were these cute little flowers. Notice I'm just going around in a circle to make my flowers. And then we've got our candles on top. I'm just making a straight line and then almost like a balloon shape on top. It looks like a candle. Perfect. There's the birthday cake that I got to choose. And that was what I think, in my opinion, is the best part of having a birthday. So I drew a quick sketch. I can go back later and color this in. Of course, mine is chocolate because in my opinion, chocolate is the best flavor. I can color this in and make this all chocolate and make my flowers nice and beautiful and colorful. But I need to add some labels that tell my reader what this is. So the first thing I'm going to add is the label that says cake. Cake. Now I hear the A saying its name, and I know we talked this morning or yesterday about how sneaky E at the end makes vowels say its name. Cake. All right, so I've labeled my cake. I should probably also label my candles. Candles. Oh, I gotta clap that one. Candles. I've got two syllables. Can is my first syllable. Can. K and candles. Dolls. Candles. If you write candles like this, C-A-N-D-L-Z, candles, no one's going to be upset with you. Or if you know that final stable syllable, D-L-E, makes the dole sound, and you know suffix S says we have more than one candle, then you're good. I'm going to draw a little arrow. Here's my cake. Perfect. So now my reader knows that, in my opinion, the best part of having a birthday is the cake, just by looking at my picture. After I'm done with my picture and my labels, then tomorrow we're going to come down to our writing lines, and we're going to write our opening sentence, or that first sentence that tells us what our opinion is. So in my opinion, cake is the best part of having a birthday. Okay, friends? go ahead and take another look at your Oreo planning page. Remind yourself of what you think the best part of a birthday is. Remind yourself of your reason and example, because that's also going to help you with your picture. And then you can go ahead and start drawing your picture with labels to share your opinion of the best part of your birthday.